Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do how-to videos. I do videos about sneakers, but also about how to grow your YouTube channel and how to do things on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you haven't seen any of my other videos, please go watch a video and subscribe to this channel. So today I want to go over how to get more views on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to go over five ways of how to easily get more views on your channel, get more people watching. So the first thing to do is to stay to the point and do a quick and short video. I know a lot of people say, oh, if you want to get more views, then maybe you should have a longer video, but nobody actually likes to listen to a video that is super long and boring. So the good thing to do is to stay to the point, talk about what you want to talk about, and hit your points and be organized and do it in a short amount of time. So I mean like 5 to 10 minutes. Some of my most popular videos are shorter videos, but they stay to the point and you get the information that you want. The second thing to do is to have good sound. So it doesn't cost a lot to get some headphones that have a microphone, or you have like your phone headphones or something like that. Use a microphone. Do not use the built-in mic that comes with your phone or your computer or something like that, because it sounds really bad. It doesn't pick up your voice properly and people can't hear you. And so sometimes on your videos, people are like, oh yeah, I had a hard time hearing that. I had a hard time understanding the information that you're trying to relay. So make sure that the sound sounds good, and so that people don't click on it because they find it, like they click away from it because they find it annoying. So make sure that you have good sound. The third thing to do is just make sure you have a good camera. Lots of videos nowadays, people take them on their phone. You don't have to go out and buy a SLR camera or something super expensive. Just make sure that people can see you clearly and they can see the images that are in your video clearly. So you can use your phone, you can use an iPad, you can use a desktop computer, and for the most part, they're sophisticated enough that you don't have to go out and buy something really expensive. So another thing is, why should people care? So I always think about, why should people care about this video? Is it popular? Is it something they want to learn? Is it a topic that a lot of people are going to tune in to find information about? So you should always think about, why should people come and watch my video? What are they taking away from it? What am I giving them that they can't find anywhere else? And then the last thing that I'm going to talk about is just talk about trending topics. What is popular on YouTube right now? I know everybody says pick a niche and then do videos that are about that niche. Well, not everybody cares about that stuff. When you're a new YouTuber, people don't know anything about you just yet. So you want to pick a topic that'll get the most eyes on you, the most people watching your channel. And then afterwards, you can like branch into something that is more specific to you, or, a population of people that want to see that specific thing that you're an expert at. But for now, talk about things that everybody else are talking about. Something that is very popular will get you more people talking and looking and coming to your channel. So this video has been about how to get more views on YouTube and how to make your channel more popular. If you like this video and any other how-to videos, go check out some of my other videos on my channel and subscribe. Thanks.